In this video, you will learn how to make a long-range IR security alarm at home. This project is ideal for those learning about Arduino. Our burglar alarm features waterproof IR beam sensors with a 15-meter range, enabling versatile applications like automatic garage door opening. In this project, we are utilizing the Arduino Nano ATmega 328 to manage the IR beam input signal at its digital pin 2. As per the diagram shown on the screen, make all connections. It then triggers a beeper, which is connected to its digital pin 3 through an NPN transistor. All images and circuit diagrams are available in the links provided in the description section. Additionally, you can find the connection diagram at the end of the video. After installing all the necessary components on the Arduino Nano board, it's time to program the Arduino Nano. For this, connect the controller with your laptop and upload the program code. You can copy the complete program code from the description section. In this burglar alarm project, we are using waterproof IR sensors, which consist of an IR transmitter operating at 1.92 kHz and an IR receiver. The sensors have an approximate range of 15 meters. According to the diagram shown on the screen, connect the sensors with the control module. You can find the diagrams in the link provided in the descriptions. Now it's time to test the project after making all the connections. Our IR burglar alarm offers a range of valuable benefits. It provides enhanced security for both homes and businesses. Its early detection capabilities ensure swift action against potential intruders or unauthorized access, offering peace of mind. With its versatile applications, including garage door security and entry point monitoring, it's a valuable addition to any security setup. Furthermore, its easy installation and seamless integration with existing security measures make it an accessible and practical choice for all security needs.